I want you to hear the clicking sound coming from this hive. You'll first notice that I put in some nickels at the corner of each hive. A lot of people say to do this when it's really, really hot, and it has been, but I should have learned from past experience. They don't care anything about this ventilation. They always just seal it right back up. I'm going to zoom in though because I want to show you something. If you look right here where the nickels are at, all right, and then look along that crack, you can see the bees in there working, and they're working actually to seal that crack back up. But here's the crazy thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the microphone really close to that crack and see if you can hear what the noise they're making from the inside. Turn your sound up and you should be able to hear it. Hear that clicking sound? Now I'm assuming that that is either them making propolis or making wax. And if anybody knows for sure, I'd appreciate the feedback on it.